In this video, what we're going to do is we're going to go in and add a full screen component into Activity Builder. There's lots of components that are intended to be smaller pieces of one screen. Some are intended to take up the entire screen. And so we're going to look at a couple of those. And so what I'm going to do is, again, I'm going to come over here to my stuff. I'm going to hit Create Custom Activities, and I'm going to hit Create New Activity. And in this one, what I think I'm going to build is a card sort. So I'm going to hit card sort as the name of my activity. I'm going to leave it the default styling. I'm not going to put a description, but I'm going to go ahead and hit Create New Activity. And then if you notice down here, we've got all these different things that we can use, from notes to ordered list to free response. Down here, we have some full screen ones. We have a full screen graphic calculator. We have a marble slide game if you want to put that in. We have a challenge creator or even a polygraph, but I'm going to do a card sort. It's one of my favorite things to do. I used to make card sorts all the time before there was digital things, and this makes it so much easier. And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to make a real simple card sort. I'm going to go in, and first thing I'm going to do is add some math text. So I'm going to put in an equation like y equals X. There we go. And then I'm going to add a graph. I'm going to click a graph. I'm going to put y equals X as my graph. There we go. And so I've got a couple different cards that I just made. Let's add a few more. If I wanted to upload some images, I could, if I had some images there, but I'm going to build a few more of these. Let's go in math text. Let's go y equals 2x plus 1. And then I'm going to hit a graph, and I'm going to type that graph, y equals 2x plus 1, and hit done. And let's make one more. So I'm going to come back over here to math. Let's put in y equals 1/2 x minus 1. And I'm going to make a graph of it. And so the goal of this will be for students to be able to match the equation with the picture of the graph. So there we go. We've got all of our cards. If I hit preview, I can see how these different cards will look. Students can click on them and see them in big screen. And they can match and stack them on top of each other and make pairs. One thing I'm going to do, though, is I'm going to make the answer key so that it will be pre-checked for me as they go in. So down here, if you'll notice where it says add answer key, I'm going to select on it. And now I'm going to create the answer key. And let's see, I believe this is y equals X. I believe that this is 2x plus 1, and this is 1/2 x minus 1. Now that I've set the key, it can be auto-graded, auto-checked, give you that nice pretty check mark on the dashboard based on what students do. So I'm going to hit done, and I can preview it again. Here we go, and when I'm ready, I can hit publish. And I've just made it a card sort activity that actually will be checked in class for students based on how they perform.